Maryland's state's attorney, Marilyn Mosby, announced that there would be criminal charges, homicide, manslaughter, and misconduct charges against the police officers in the death of Freddie Gray. Here is a clip of her announcement literally moments ago.
Once alerted about this incident on April 13th, investigators from my police integrity unit were deployed to investigate the circumstances surrounding Mr. Gray's apprehension. Over the course of our independent investigation in the untimely death of Mr. Gray, my team worked around the clock, 12 and 14-hour days, to canvass and interview dozens of witnesses, view numerous hours of video footage, repeatedly reviewed and listened to hours of police videotaped statements, surveyed the route, reviewed voluminous medical records, and we leveraged the information made available to us by the police department, the community, and the family of Mr. Gray. The findings of our comprehensive, thorough, and independent investigation, coupled with the medical examiner's determination that Mr. Gray's death was a homicide, which we received today, has led us to believe that we have probable cause to file criminal charges.
So there you have it. What is also shocking about this is that the Washington Post had on its front page sort of this leaked supposed report about how he had done this himself. I mean, clearly, this is a huge embarrassment for the Washington Post.
He had done this himself, as in Freddie Gray broke his own spine.
Right.
That's what Sam's talking about.
And
like, as absurd as it sounds,
well,
the media actually ran with that.
Yes. So there's it's sort of a shocking failure on the part of the Washington Post.